So we just finished our project with Schwalb Builders. It is absolutely beautiful. We had a mudroom and sunroom renovation. They did an amazing job. The workers were kind and kept us in through every part of the decision so that we felt like we were really included in the whole thing. This was our first renovation, so Sean was great with working through what it takes to be in a contract, and the budget was really what we needed to make this happen. So we're super thankful for Schwalb Builders. This is going to be where we live in our house from now on. There's so much happiness and brightness in here, so we're super grateful.
Thank you.
Hi, just want to let you guys know Schwalb Builders did 2 bathrooms for me. They did a fantastic job. All the work was great. Johnny did a fantastic job. Had a really great experience with him. Definitely recommend them for all your work.
Hi, this is Barry. Just giving you guys a quick video. Sean and his team from Schwalb Builders just finished up with our job, and they completely redid our kitchen. You can see part of it. They did some other jobs. They tore out some walls. They tore out a bay window and put some French doors in. They refinished our floors, and all the work that they did looks great. I can highly recommend them, so give them a call.